welcome to episode 3 of Will It Microwave, the show where we microwave things to see what happens. Before we start today's episode, I'd like to say a quick thank you to Callum for providing us with this lovely Anko 700 watt microwave that we will be using for this series. Now today, we will be microwaving the Oral-B Gum Care and Enamel Restore Toothpaste sample tube. We will take the lid off to see what effect this small thin film of plastic covering the tube has. Once again, we'll start it off with the default 30 seconds. We might just stop it there. That's minty fresh and actually smells. That smells really nice. That's actually really good. Let's take a look at the tube. As we can see here, the tube has liquidified and the toothpaste has burst out of the tube. It looks like there really isn't any foil in here, otherwise we would have seen those very familiar sparks. We just break that open a little bit. Look at that. That's the inside of a toothpaste tube for you. Thank you for watching today's episode. We hope you join us next time for more excitement.